n terms of some special series. So what is the meaning of sum to n terms of some special series means? In PMI chapter you solved one problem, sum of n terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. What is the meaning of it means? Suppose if you take two terms 1 plus 2 equal to how much? 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Suppose if you take three terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 6. Suppose if you take four terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 10. Suppose if you have 100 terms, what is the value of sum of these numbers? Sum of and first 100 natural numbers is how much? Means what is the formula for this means? This is the formula. Suppose if you take two terms 1, 2 terms if you take, and if you add, how much you are getting? 3. Check whether it is correct or not by using this formula. How many terms you are taking? 2 terms. That means n value is 2. 2 into 3 by 2. So how much you got? 2. Sorry, 3. 3 satisfied. Next. If you take next first 3 terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 is how much? 6. So left hand side how many terms you are taking? 3 terms. Right hand side check whether it is correct or not. How many terms you are taking? 3 terms. So check whether it is correct or not. 3 into 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 satisfied. Next, if you take 100 terms, if you take 4 terms, first 4 terms 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, how much you are getting? 10. Check whether it is correct or not by using right hand side formula. How many terms you are taking? 4 terms. So 4 into 5 by 2. 2 2s are 5. 10 satisfied. 10 satisfied. That means sum of 2 terms is 3. Sum of 3 terms is 6. Sum of first 4 terms is 10. Next, sum of 100 terms is how much? By using this formula we can prove 100 into 100 plus 1, 101 by 2. That means 50. 5 into 50. So this is the value of sum of 100 terms. So this formula we proved by using the concept of principle of mathematical induction. So how to find sum to n terms? Sum to n terms of some special series means take first one 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n is equal to how much? Right hand side how much we will get? How to prove this means let Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus n minus 1 plus n. This is sum of n terms. Next, same series I am writing in the reverse order. n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3. Otherwise I will give gap here. 1 plus Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus n minus 1 plus n. So same series I am taking again. In reverse order I am writing n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3 plus so on plus 2 plus 1. Sn plus Sn, if you add 1 and 2, you will get 2Sn is equal to n plus 1 plus n minus 1 plus 2. That means n plus 1 plus n minus 2 plus 3. That means n plus 1 plus n minus 3 plus 4. n plus 1 plus so on plus n plus 1 plus n plus 1. See, if you add these two terms, you will get n plus 1. If you add these two terms, you will get n plus 1. If you add these two terms, you will get n plus 1. N plus 1. Up to final step, you will get n plus 1. So 2Sn is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, how many terms are there? N terms are there. N plus 1, n plus 1. 2 into n plus 1. N plus 1 plus n plus 1, n plus n plus 1. 3n plus 1. Like this, how many terms are there? N terms are there. So that's why it is n into n plus 1. So Sn is equal to how much? N into n plus 1 by 2. So what is Sn means? Sn means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So sum of first n natural numbers is how much? Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Next, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus n square equal to how much? Sum of square of first n natural numbers is how much? Sum of square of first n natural numbers is how much? So Sn square, let the given series is Sn square. So previous problem I assumed it as Sn. Now this problem I am taking it as Sn square because for every term square is there. So Sn square is equal to 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus so on plus n square. Next, so before proving this, consider k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube. Consider k cube minus k1 whole cube. So k cube minus k, this is in the form of a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That means k cube minus k minus 1 whole cube is equal to k cube minus k cube gets cancelled. 3k square minus 3k plus 1 you will get. 3k square minus 3k plus 1 you will get. So k is equal to 1. If k is equal to 1, what you will get here? 1 cube minus 1 minus 1, 0 cube is equal to 3 into 1 square, 3 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 1. Next, if k equal to 2, if k equal to 2 cube minus 2 cube, k is 2, 2 cube minus 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 cube is equal to 3 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 1. Next, if k equal to 3, if k is 3, 3 cube minus 2 cube is equal to 3 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 1. So on, like this I am giving values for k. Up to n I am giving n. If I give k value n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube is equal to 3 into n square minus 3 into n plus 1 plus 1. Next, if you add all the terms, plus 1 cube minus 1 cube cancel, plus 2 cube minus 2 cube cancel, plus 3 cube minus 3 cube cancel. So all terms gets cancelled. Finally you will get n cube minus 0 cube in left hand side. Plus 1 cube minus 1 cube, plus 2 cube minus 2 cube, plus 3 cube, all terms gets cancelled. You will get n cube minus 0 cube. See, 3 is common here. Take 3 common. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square you will get. If you take 3 common here. Next, minus, if you take 3 common, 3 into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n plus 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. Like this, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, so on n. So 1 plus like this, how many terms are there? N terms are there. So this is n. Next, n cube minus 0 cube is n cube is equal to 3 into 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus so on n square is how much? Sn square. Consider this as Sn square minus 3 into this is sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2 plus n. So send this term and this term to the left hand side. N cube minus n cube plus 3n into n plus 1 by 2 plus n is equal to 3 into Sn square. If you take LCM, this is minus n. Take LCM to 2n cube minus 3n 3 into n square, n into n square plus n square plus n minus 2n is equal to 3 into Sn square. 2n cube plus 3n square plus 3n minus 2n is minus n by 2 is equal to 3 common. If you take n common, 2n square plus 3n plus 1 by 2 is equal to, if you send 3 to the left hand side, you will get 6 n square. So n square is equal to n into 2n square plus 3n plus 1 means we can write like this, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. If you take the factors for this, you will get n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is sum of n square terms, of the given series. Next, Sn cube is equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus n cube is equal to how much means, directly I am writing formula here, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 or n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. This is also equal to Sn whole square. So sum of n cube terms equal to how much? Sum of n terms whole square. For this, proof is not important, but try like this: k plus 1 whole power 4 minus k power 4. Expand it by using binomial theorem and simplify this. 4k cube, then you will get 4 into k power 4 plus 6k cube plus 4k square plus 1 you will get. So simplify by keeping k equal to 1, k equal to 2, k up to k equal to n, and simplify this, then you will get Sn cube. Sum of n cube, first n cube natural numbers is how much? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is the value of sum of n cube terms. Next, to prove exercise 9.4, these three formulas are mandatory. Sum of n terms, that means n into n plus 1 by 2. That means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus n. Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers is how much? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n square natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square is equal to, sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Sum of n cube terms is how much? N into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, or n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus so on plus n cube. See, instead of writing all these numbers, we can write this summation as within a simplest form, like sigma n. Summation of n, that means sum of, what is n means? Nth terms. What is this denotes? Sum of n natural numbers. summation of n natural numbers. Summation of what is an nth term. That's why we can write it as S sigma an. Sn, sum of n terms is equal to sum of n term. Next, Sn square. Instead of writing all these series always, we can denote this series as sigma n square. Sigma n square or sigma an. Sigma an. Sigma an means what is last term? N square. Sigma n square means sigma an. Next, instead of writing all these sequence, always simply we can write this sequence as sigma n cube. Sigma n cube or sigma an. N cube means nothing but nth term. What is nth term or last term? Sigma an. So Sn is equal to formula n into n plus 1 by 2, which is equal to sigma n. Sn square is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, which is equal to sigma n square. Sn cube is equal to n into n plus 1 whole square by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square, which is also equal to sigma n cube. So these three formulas you need to remember to solve this exercise. Problem exercise 9.4. Find the sum to n terms of the series in exercise 1 to 7. So if you observe this series 1 into 2, first term is 1 into 2, second term is 2 into 3, third term is 3 into 4 plus so on. So what to find? Sum to n terms. That's why first, before finding sum to n term, first to find the nth term. So how to find the nth term means first term, second term, third term. Similarly, what is nth term? Nth term is an. An is equal to. So first take in the first term which number is there? 1 is there. Take 1. Next in the second term, what is first number? 2. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma so on. Next into. Next consider second terms of each term. 2, 3, 4 so on. So to find the nth term, first take the first term of the every term. Next into first second term of the every number. Next, this is in AP. 1, 2, 3 means they are in AP. So in AP, what is the formula to find the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into D. Common difference is 1 into 2 plus this is also in AB. 2 plus n minus 1 into common difference is 1. So an is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 into 2 plus n minus 1. So an is equal to plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, n into n plus 1. So this is nth term of the given series. Now find sum to n terms. Let Sn denotes the sum to n terms. Sn denotes the sum to n terms. Already I explained what is Sn means. Sigma an. That means sigma n into n plus 1. Sn is equal to sum of n into n square plus n. That means sigma n square plus sigma n. So Sn is equal to, we know sigma n square value. Sigma n square is how much? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus n into n plus 1 by 2. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 common. If you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 1. That means Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 4 by 3. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into 2 common n plus 2 by 3. 2 gets cancelled. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2 by 3. So check whether it is correct or not. Our answer is correct or not means take first two terms. So 1 into 2 is 2 plus 2 into 3 is 6. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. Check whether our formula is correct or not. How many terms you are taking? Sum of how many terms? 2 terms. That means S2. S2. So 2 into n value 2. 2 into 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into n plus 2. 4 by 3. 3 gets cancelled. S2. Sum of first two terms is 8. 8. So satisfied. This is the way to check whether our answer is correct or not. Next, third problem. 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square. Sum of n terms we need to find. So here, first find the nth term. Before finding the sum of n terms, first find the nth term. So nth term. How to find nth term? 3 comma. Consider first term of every term. First 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma so on into 1 square comma 2 square 1 square comma 2 square comma 3 square comma so on. So an is equal to, if you observe this sequence, this is in AB, this is in AB. Common difference is how much? 2. That means they are in AB. So a plus 3 plus nth term formula 3 plus n minus 1 into common difference is how much? 2 into first term is 1 square, second term is 2 square, third term is 3 square. That means nth term is how much? N square. N square. So an is equal to 3 plus 2n minus 2 into n square. So an is equal to 2n plus 1 into n square. So an is equal to 2n cube plus 2n cube plus n square. Now we know nth term. Now find, let Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Sum of n terms. Then Sn is equal to sigma an. Sigma an means 2n cube plus n square. 2n cube plus n square. So Sn is equal to 2 into sigma n cube, 2 into sigma n cube plus sigma n square. 2 into sigma 2n cube means 2 is constant. 2 into sigma n cube plus n square. So Sn is equal to 2 into sum of n cube terms is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus sum of n square terms is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So what is common here? N into n plus 1 by 2 is common. N into n plus 1 by 2 is common. 2 times gets cancelled. Still what is there? N into n plus 1 is there. N into n plus 1 plus, if you take n into n plus 1 by 2 common, still what remains here? 2n plus 1 by 3. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into n. If you take LCM, 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1 by 3. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 3n square plus 5n plus 1 by 3. You can check, if you want you can check by substituting. Suppose if you take n equal, this is 2 into 3, denominator is 2 3s are 6. So if you want you can check by substituting n value is equal to 1 or n value is equal to 2. Next problem, 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus so on is how much? If you observe the first term we can write like this, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2. Check whether it is correct or not. What is LCM? 1 into 2 is LCM. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is how much? 1 by 1 into 2. Similarly, if you consider 1 by 2 into 3. So, you can write this term as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Check whether it is correct or not. 2 into 3 is LCM. 2 into 3 is LCM. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1 by 2 into 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 means 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 value is how much? 1 by 2 into 3. Similarly, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 is how much? 1 by 1 into 2. That means first term we can write like this: 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus so on. So in the, if you take like this, what is the nth term will come? 1 by n plus 1. See, if you observe here, in the first term 1 2 is there. In the first term, in the denominator 1 2 is there. In the second term 2 3 is there. In the third term 3 4 is there. Third term 3 4 is there. Second term 2 3 is there. First term 1 2 is there. That means nth term is 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. 1 2. So minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 gets cancelled. Finally, which terms remains? 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 will remains. N plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. N by n plus 1. So what is sum of n terms? N by n plus 1. Next problem. 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus so on plus 20 square is there. What is given? 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus 20 square is there. So for this I am adding 1 square plus 2 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square plus 7 square plus so on plus 20 square. I am adding sum of squares of first 4 terms. Next, here I am subtracting 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Plus 1 square minus 1 square cancel, plus 2 square minus 2 square cancel, plus 3 square minus 3 square cancel, plus 4 square minus 4 square gets cancelled. We know that sum of n square terms is how much? N into sum of n square terms means sigma n square value. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, sum of n terms value. So here how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 like this, 20 terms are there. What is the formula for sigma? Sum of 20 square terms means 20 into n value 20, 20 plus 1, 21 into 2, 40, 41 by 6, 41 by 6 minus sum of 4 terms. 4 terms means 4 into 5 into 9 by 6, 9 by 6. 2 3s are 2 10s are 3 7s are 70 into 41. 70 into 41. 2870 minus 3 2s are 3 3s are 2 2s are 10 30. So 2840 is sum of 5 square plus 7 square plus 20 square is how much? 2840. Next problem, 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on. So first term contains only 1 square, second term contains 1 square plus 2 square, third term contains 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Similarly, what is nth term? To find sum of n terms, first you need to find nth term. So what is nth term? In first term only 1 square is there. In second term 1 square plus 2 square is there. In the third term 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square is there. Means what is nth term? 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on plus n square. An is equal to sum of n square terms are there. Sum of first n natural number squares are there. What is the formula for this? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. If you multiply this, n into n plus 1 is n square plus n into 2n plus 1 by 6. So an is equal to, again if you multiply, 2n cube plus n square plus 2n square plus 3n square plus n by 6. This is nth term. This is the nth term of the given series. Next, we want to find Sn. Let Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Then Sn is equal to sigma an. Sigma an means sigma 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by 6. So Sn is equal to 2 by 6 into sigma n cube plus 3 by 6 into sigma n square plus 1 by 6 into sigma n. 3 2s are. So Sn is equal to 1 by 3. Sn is equal to 1 by 3 into sigma n cube is how much? N square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 1 by 2 into sigma n square is there. Sigma n square value is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 into sigma n is how much? N into n plus 1 by 2. So out of this 1, 2, 3 terms, which term is common? N into n plus 1 by 2 is common. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 if you take common. So still what remains here? N plus 1 by 2 common. So still 1 by 3 into 1 more n is there, 1 more n plus 1 is there, by 2 is there, plus n plus 1 by 2 common. N plus 1 by 2 common if you take 2n plus 1 by 6 is there, plus n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2 common, 2n plus 1 by 6 plus here 1 by 6 is there. Next, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into, what is LCM? 6 is the LCM. N into n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 plus 1. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into n square plus 3n plus 2 by 6. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. This quadratic expression we can split like this by 6. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 1, n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2 by 6. This is the value of sum of n terms of the given series. This is by 12. By 12 is the sum of n terms of the given series. Next, find the sum to n terms of the series in exercise whose nth term is given by. Here directly nth term is given nth term an is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 4 is given. Find the sum of n terms. That means let Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Then Sn is equal to sigma an means n into n plus 1, n square plus n into n plus 4. Sn is equal to sigma n square plus n cube plus 4n square plus n square, 5n square plus 4n plus 4n. So Sn is equal to sigma n cube plus 5 into sigma n square plus 4 into sigma n. So So Sn is equal to sigma n cube value is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 5 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus sigma n value n into n plus 1 by 2. N into n plus 1 by 2. Next, in every term n into n plus 1 by 2 is common. Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by, if you take common, still n into n plus 1 by 2 is there, by 2 plus n into n plus 1 by 2, if you take common, 5 into 2n plus 1 by 3 plus 4. Next, Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into LCM is 6 n square plus n into 3 plus 10 into 2n plus 1 plus 24. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into 3n square plus 3n plus 20n plus 23n plus 10 plus 24, 34 by 6. n plus 34. So there is no factor for this. So we have to leave like this one, n into n plus 1 into 3n square plus 23n plus 34 by 2 6 are 12. Next problem, nth term is n square plus 2 power n. Given nth term an is equal to n square plus 2 power n. So let Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Sn is equal to sigma an sigma n square plus 2 power n. So Sn is equal to sigma n square plus sigma 2 power n. So Sn is equal to sigma n square value n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus this is sigma 2 power n, means we can expand like this, 2 power 1 plus 2 square plus 2 cube plus so on 2 power n. So Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus, if you observe this series, this series is in GP. So 2 square by 2 is 2. 2 cube by 2 square is 2. That means sum of n terms of GP. Sum of n terms of GP formula a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1, because here r is 2. Common ratio is 2 more than 1. A into, that means 2 into 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1. So what is the final step? Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into 2 power n minus 2 into 2 power n minus 1 by 1. By 1 means no need to write. This is the value of sum of n terms of the given nth term. Given nth term is 2n minus 1 whole square. So an is equal to 4n square. This is in the form of a minus b whole square plus 1 square minus 4n. So an is equal to 4n square plus 1 minus 4n. So let Sn denotes the sum of n terms. Then Sn is equal to sigma an sigma 4n square plus 1 minus 4n. So Sn is equal to 4 into sigma n square plus sigma 1 minus 4 into sigma n. So Sn is equal to 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus sigma 1 value n minus 4 into n plus 1 by n by 2. Next, what is LCM for this 3? Sn is equal to 6. 6 is the LCM. 6 is the LCM. 4 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 plus 6n minus 2 3 the 12 into n plus 1. So Sn is equal to 4n into n, 4n square plus 4n into 2n plus 1 plus 6n minus 12n square minus 12 by 6. So Sn is equal to 4n square into 2n, 8n cube plus 4n square plus 8n square plus 4n plus 6n minus 12n square minus 12 by 6. So Sn is equal to 8n cube plus 4n square plus 8n square, 12n square, minus 12n square gets cancelled, plus 4n plus 6n plus 10n minus 12 by 6. So 2 is common, 4n cube plus 5n minus 6 by 6. 2 3s are 6. So Sn is equal to 4n cube plus 5n minus 6 by 3. This is minus 12n. So 4n plus 6n is 10n minus 12n is minus 2n minus 2n. So next, n is common. If you take n common, 2n common, 4n square minus 1 by 6. 2 3s are 6. So Sn is equal to n into 4n square minus 1 by 3. This is sum of n terms.